Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gale.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
See you later.
Bye. Take care.
How's your day going?
It's going well, thanks.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while.
How have you been?
I've been great.
What's up?
Not much. You?
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in.
Welcome to our team.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Do you speak English?
A little.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Where do you work?
I work in Colombo.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you okay?
Yes, just tired.
Do you need help?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I'm really happy.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Yes?
May I come in?
Yes, please do.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you free today?
Yes, after 5 p.m.
Let's go out.
Great idea.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play guitar.
Can we be friends?
Of course.
Where did you study?
At Peradeniya University.
Are you working now?
Yes, full-time.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you have a phone number?
Yes, it's 077-123-123.
What do you like to do?
I like traveling.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
How do you spell your name?
A-N-N-A.
Let's keep in touch.
Sure, I'd like that.